have to say, I feel like I'm buzzing, which is probably a good thing. I'm trying to ground a little bit too because this is super important to me, this song. When I wrote it, I thought it was about, and it can be about whatever you perceive it to be, but I thought it was about a particular relationship, whether that's with a parent or a child or a friend or a loved one, partner. But I realized after I wrote it that for me, this is about reconnecting with Source, with my higher power that I had shut down for a very long time. And it's called Finally Here. I've always known you. There's been a tug in my heart for as long as I remember, and now here you are. You didn't give up, you stayed the course, patient and loving, such a beautiful force. The warmth that I feel from head to toe, it's like the sunshine of a summer day. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. And it feels like the memory of a true friend from so long ago. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. And it feels like the memory of a true love from so long ago. You are here, finally here. I can see you've been waiting. I guess I was too, though I didn't know it till I came upon you. And guided by love, the stars and the truth, I've opened my heart and dedicated to you. 'Cause the warmth that I feel from head to toe, it's like the sunshine of a summer's day. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. And it feels like the memory of a true friend, all from so long ago. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. Feels like the memory of a true love from so long ago. You are here. Well, you are here, finally here. And all along I guess I knew there never was a question of you. Maybe when or where or how, but that's all been answered now. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. It just feels like the memory of that true friend from so long ago. Without a glimmer of doubt, there's purpose I know. Feels like the memory of a true love from so long ago. And you are here. You are finally